Masaman Guy is the world renowned by CNN Travel. It's #1 in the world. So let's see what we're going to do. Let's look about Masaman curry paste. They are combination of herbs and spice. That's why it's so fragrant and tasty. This dish requires starch vegetable in order to complement the Masaman curry paste. In this case, potato, no onions, coconut milk. We're going to need some salt. So we use the chicken thigh. So we're going to have the cinnamon. We have to fry them with oil. Then we have a Masaman curry paste. Add the buttery taste with the roasted peanuts. Add tamarind extract. Palm sugar is essential for this dish. Fish sauce is needed for balance the taste. First thing you have to do for this dish, the Masaman curry guy, the Masaman curry chicken, we have to boil the potato first. You cut it into the wedge, and then you boil in the hot water with salt, okay, to make it hardening. It contains the good shape and the taste. Then set it aside. The second thing you have to do is to cook the chicken with coconut milk, okay, and a little bit of salt just to keep the flavor into the chicken, and a little bit of salt, okay. You see the coconut milk, if you buy the can, if you buy the thickest one, it's going to have some running water a little bit, and then the little bit is thick. That means that's a lot of coconut in there. So that's what the buttery taste you want. Okay. Now we add about tablespoon of salt. When the coconut boil, we're going to add the chicken. This is chicken thigh that we want to use. You can use chicken leg, but don't use the breast because it's going to dry out. Okay, you want the meat that more like on the red meat side. If you cook with beef, you cook with all those things, it's fine. But the fatter you have in the system, the better of the taste of the Masaman curry will give you true flavor. Okay, this is, you're going to let the chicken partially cook. After it's partially cooked, almost cooked, but still slightly late inside, you put the fork into it. You see slightly late. You take it out with the heat, and that is step 1. Step 2, we're going to continue cooking with that. So now we get ready to do the dish, the actual curry. So you have to add the oil in there. You have to do oil at 1 tablespoon. Then you have the cinnamon, and you're going to fry them. Yeah, I'm going to fry the cinnamon until its aroma come out. It's slightly a little bit open, that the flavor going to come out. Aroma will be very phenomenal. Then we're going to use the curry paste. This is a Masaman curry that you already made for you. If you try to make it yourself, you don't have enough ingredients, so you're not going to know what it could taste like. Let the professional do it for you. So use the Masaman curry paste, and now you got to fry them. You have 3 things in there. One is the curry paste, oil, and that's cinnamon. So you fry them until really aroma to come out and the curry break into the oil. So you got the oil, uh, aromatic of cinnamon smell and curry smell. Now you have to add a little bit of butter into that and the coconut milk to make the the flavor to come out. The combination of coconut milk and oil and the curry to make it really very very aromatic, and this is building the texture, building the flavor, and building aroma. That's why this is phenomenal. Now what we're going to do now, when it cooked, we got the salt a little bit thick. Now we're going to put the chicken back in there. This chicken is partially cooked, not fully cooked. Okay, the inside still red. Okay, a little bit like along the bone, but use the chicken with the bone. Without bone, you're not going to get that flavor. Okay. And some people like wing, they cook with the wing, it come out good too, but I think it needs to good chicken. That's what I would say. So that's what I always use with chicken, and it's easy to cook. It doesn't take that long. Now we're going to coat the chicken with the curry. That means you coating like that. See, to make sure to have a little bit in when the chicken still start cooking, giving out the juice, and then the coconut come out and bring with all more of the the chicken juice and coconuts, curry, all those things, the combination, and then the chicken will suck it back in all this flavor. Now you start adding a little bit of buttery to make sure that the coating process is not burning. Okay, if your heat is too high, you just let it lower the heat down. But it's the medium which we do. It's okay now. So keep on stir it, so you will see that. If your chicken already completely cooked, it will fall apart. Okay, it have to be partially, and the potato is partially cooked too. So what we have to do that is the peanut already roasted, so we just put it at the same time. Now we're going to add the chicken that we cooked back to the system. Okay, the muesli. So that means you make like a curry, pudding. Remember, you're not running curry. Curry is thick. Okay? It's late water. Not running water. Okay. This is how this is built up, but the sequential of the system is very, very crucial. Because you put the potato first, and you overcook it. Now that look really nice. Look at it. Okay? Now you're going to let it cook for 10 minutes until it really boils heavily. Then we're going to balance the tastes. Here, after the heavily boiled, so we're going to balance the taste. Now this is palm sugar, that's about 3 or 4 tablespoons there. You need, because a lot of chicken, so you have a lot of juice, so you have to balance the taste. And then this is extract tamarins. Okay, this is what we're going to get the sour taste. This is the only one curry. This is that cooked with coconut milk have sour curry, have sour taste. And now we're going to do the fish sauce. So we're going to, because we have a lot of salt into the system, don't put too much fish sauce in there. Fish sauce put about 3 tablespoons the most. Okay, and then at the end we will tell you what are you looking for when you do this kind of thing. Now you balance the taste. You got right now you got the buttery, you got spice, you got tamarind, that's sour, you got palm sugar, that's sweet, and you got fish sauce that give you the the umami taste. It really blend everything together. That's how the thing works. Okay, very easy, very simple. You have to prepare them right, and this is what the final going to look like. So after you get that, you get the peanut still intact. You have cinnamon in there. You have chicken still good, not falling apart. This is what it should taste like. Okay, the sequential of the taste. It should be buttery, spicy, sour, sweet, and salty. Here you go. You have to learn how to cook the most famous. That's the number one famous in the world. That's the Masaman curry chicken. Thank you for watching and sharing this video. Thank you. Bon appetit.